Upright vacuums are the standard in vacuuming, but that doesn't mean they're all created equal. In fact, upright vacuums can have huge differences between models. Choosing the best upright vacuum cleaner can help make your chores easier and allow you to keep your home clean. Vacuum choices and available options may seem overwhelming, especially if you've never shopped for a vacuum before. Consider the space you have to vacuum, what special vacuuming needs you have, and how much you have to spend when you're shopping for a vacuum. We created this video to simplify the shopping process and help you make an informed choice when purchasing your new upright vacuum. Keep watching to know more about Best Upright Vacuums 2019. Number 5. Hoover T-Series UH70120. With powerful suction, precision tools, and quality filtration, the Wind Tunnel Rewind Plus Upright has everything you need. The wind tunnel technology and HEPA media get the job done right, while the retractable cord and easy-to-rinse filter ensure convenience. For the best all-around value, look no further than the Hoover T-Series Upright Corded Vacuum Cleaner. With Hoover's patented wind tunnel technology, it lifts and removes surface debris and deep-down embedded dirt to give your floors the ultimate clean. Number 4. Shark Navigator NV360. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe is a lightweight upright with never loses suction technology and a unique detachable canister for powerful and portable cleaning anywhere, anytime. The Lift-Away features anti-allergen complete seal technology and HEPA that trap over 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, plus a large capacity, bottom-empty bagless dust cup. The dust containment system helps keep dust and allergy-causing agents from escaping into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides complete control to easily maneuver under and around obstacles and furniture. The deluxe motorized brush roll can be turned on or off, providing powerful performance on both carpets and bare floors. This powerful vacuum features premium pet tools, including an air-driven pet brush, dusting brush, and crevice tool. A generous 25-foot power cord makes cleaning large areas easy. Number 3. Bissell CleanView 2486. Forget lugging around a heavy vacuum while cleaning. The Bissell CleanView is lightweight and powerful, meaning it's easy to maneuver from room to room and still packs the powerful punch needed to clean multiple surfaces. Dirt and debris are no match for the one-pass brush roll, providing a satisfactory clean on the first pass. Plus, with scatter-free technology, you can clean with confidence knowing you're picking up even the hard-to-see debris from the floor. But we also know messes are not contained to the floor, so the CleanView comes with specialized tools like the Turbo Brush Tool, dusting brush, crevice tool, and extension wand, which all store on board and are always within reach while cleaning. And when your cleaning is complete, maintaining the machine is simple with the easy empty dirt tank. Number 2. Hoover Pet Max UH74110. The Hoover Pet Max Complete makes it easy to stay on top of pet hair cleanup. Designed for optimal pet hair removal on any floor type and above floor surfaces, this vacuum has everything you need to get a clean home with less stress. Turn the brush roll on for deep cleaning on carpets. Turn it off to prevent scattering on hard floors. Pet Max Complete is designed for optimal pet hair removal on floors and above so you can love your pets with less stress. Powerful suction captures and contains deep down dirt, dust, and pet hair. The extra large 2.5L dirt cup capacity lets you clean for longer before needing to empty. Includes a crevice tool, turbo tool, and flexible dusting brush to easily clean pet hair off of furniture, stairs and more. The quick release cleaning one lets you go from carpet to ceiling with uninterrupted suction. Filtration system captures 97% of pet dander, dust, and pollen particles and blocks them from re-entering the air for added peace of mind. Number 1. Bissell CleanView 1831. Unlike other vacuums that require you to go over the same floor area multiple times before they vacuum up all of the debris, the Bissell CleanView upright vacuum is engineered with one-pass technology that has powerful suction plus an innovative brush design to clean on the initial pass. With a multi-cyclonic system for lasting, powerful suction plus a lightweight design that's easy to push and carry, the Bissell CleanView is the perfect combination of form and function. Multi-level filtration with a washable filter helps reduce household dust and allergens. Plus, this easy-to-use vacuum is equipped with a large capacity, bottom empty dirt bin for quick, mess-free emptying. To clean those hard-to-reach areas, the Bissell CleanView includes specialized tools including a dusting brush, crevice tool, and turbo brush tool that are perfect for cleaning furniture, stairs, upholstery, and more. Thank you for watching about Top 5 Best Upright Vacuum 2019. If you want to buy these products, we have put a link in the description section below.